Take kindly. 3, 2, 1, go. Take kindly. Get mo muna. From the top. Take. You're getting it, oh. Take kindly. Oh, no. Again. Take kindly the counsel of the years, gracefully surrendering the things of youth. Nurture strength of spirit to shield you in sudden misfortune, but do not distress yourself with dark imaginings. Many fears are born with fatigue and loneliness. Beyond wholesome discipline, be gentle with yourself. Okay.